Here's our guide bushing. And I hope this isn't difficult to hear or difficult to see. Yeah, I'm over here. Ow. This is our guide bushing. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pop that out. What I like to do is I'm gonna give a temporary lock to the spindle, and then we're gonna pop it out. Bear with me for a moment. Now that it's loose, we use this tool to help pop it out, kind of like a slide hammer of sorts. There is our guide bushing cartridge. Let's talk about it. So we have our guide bushing out.